Hey guys, it's neverendingpi here, and today I have a video on how to make a Rubik's Cube unsolvable. So this is like a little prank if your friend knows how to solve a Rubik's Cube and you don't. So all you gotta do is take the Rubik's Cube, turn the top 45 degrees, put your thumb right here and just pull up. Then flip this over, put it back down, then mix it up. Next time they go to solve it, they won't be able to solve it. It'll be impossible. So I'm gonna quick solve it and show you what happens. And right here, they'll notice that this isn't a cross, and they'll be like, what? And they won't be able to solve it. So, let's say they keep trying. The whole thing can be solved except for one edge. And then after they ask you what happened, all you gotta do is do that, flip it over, and give it back to them. So that's a fun little prank you can do. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click right there to go to my newest video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.